Introducing the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.